Let's move on to the next problem of Blend 75 series, and let me open the list. In previous video we were solving this in strings. Longest we have solved longest palindromic substring. Now let us continue our series with this next problem, palindromic substrings. Now this problem is same as its previous version, and here in previous problem we have to find the longest of all the substrings. Here we have to only give the count of the number of palindromic substrings that are present. There also we calculate all the substrings, and for we have returned the maximum one. But here we are only required to return the number of palindromic substrings. So it is pretty easy, easier than the previous one. How we will do it? As in previous video we have seen that we will use expand around center technique, in which we will be traversing this given string. Let me find out its length, s dot length, and next for traversing this string I am putting this for loop, and you know that I'm going to expand around in the center for each character. So I will be calling this function expand for each character. I will pass the indexes. Let me create this function expand. I'm not explaining it much because I have solved the similar problem in the previous video. If you find this difficult to understand, if I recommend you to first watch the previous video, then come here, then it will become very simple for you. Now let us move on to the code. Let me name it as we have named it below, expand, and what are all the parameters it will take? It will take string for sure, then it will take index, center index, and start and end as the previous one, as we have used previously. So we will be expanding through these two pointers, start and end. Start will move towards the left, and end will move towards the right, we have seen. And the next thing that we are going to pass, I think we don't need now anything. Alright, and we will first search for the odd sized palindromes, and then we will search for even sized palindromes. And here I will pass the string starting index as I, ending index at the same index I, and I will copy it, and for the next call I will make it the second and as one more than the start. Now let me create one answer variable count, in which will be counting our number of palindromic substrings. Sorry, I have done it plus plus here. It will start from 0. Okay, now as we have done in the previous problem, we will simply put a while loop here, and first we will find out the length here. We have not passed here in parameters. Length will be s dot length. Alright, so we'll move till start is greater than equals to 0 and is less than length. And one more thing, the characters at start and end must be equal, like this. Start is equals to, yes, we have found a substring, sorry, palindromic substring, and we will increase our count, and start will move like this and like this. Then we will keep on changing, we will keep on checking if they are equal, and till they are equal we'll continue this while loop. Otherwise we will come out of this while loop and this expand function, and our counter will be updated, and at the end we will return our count, how much we have counted palindromic substrings here in this given string S. Let me check it before running. Yes, I think it is correct. Let me try to run it. Yes, it is working for the given two test cases. Let me submit it. Yes, it got successfully accepted. Now let me explain you with dry run with an example so that it will become more clear for you. I am taking this code and pasting here in this whiteboard. Where it gone? Yes, it came here. Let me decrease its size. Yes. How it is working? Let me talk about this, how it is working. First we will see for ABC. ABC will come here, length will be 3. We'll call this and we'll pass ABC00. Then length will be 3 and start is 0, true, and is what is end? End is 0 and length is 3. It is also true. Start and end are both same, 0 0 for a character is same. So yes, it is also true. We'll increase our count, initially which was 0. It has become 1 now. Then star will move here and it will go out of bounds, and will come here, control will come here again, and we'll call for the even size for AB. They are not equal, so we'll simply straight away return from expand without even going into the while, and we'll come here. Our first iteration is completed. That is a 0th iteration. We'll clean it for next iteration, and we'll pass I will become 1. We'll pass 1 1, and yes, again 3, it is 1, true. It is also true, 1 is less than 3. It is also true as B. Here also B and B present, both are same. I will increase it by 1, that is 2. Then I will decrease my start and increase my end from these two steps, and will compare them in next iteration of this while loop, and they are not equal. So I will come out of this function here, will come here, and currently my count is 2. I will pass for the I will make a call for finding even sized palindromes, and I will pass B and C. B here only B not equals to C will come here, and one iteration, that is the second iteration, when I is 1 is also completed, and our count is 2. Now let's see the third iteration when I is 3. Sorry, I is 2. Both will be 2 for this outsized, and this will run one time, and will count will become 3. We are currently here, we are at C, and while this end becomes plus plus, means at end becomes 3, will come out of the bounds, and will come out of this expand call here. Then we'll make for the even size, and again I plus 1 is not in bounds, that is it will become false. 3 sorry, this 3 less than 3, it will become false, and we will come out of this call, and this for loop will also end, and we will remain with 3, and we will return here. Count will be 3 and 3 will be returned, and it is our answer here. Yes. Now let me show you for the repeating character. Here all the characters were different. Now let me take AA. All right, so you can figure out for this also by seeing this explanation. String is AA, size is 2. I have passed AA and 0 0 initially. Count will be increased. This will become true, this will become true, and this will also become true, as there is only single character. Count will become 1, and as start will become -1, I will come out from function call here, and then I will make the call for this even sized palindrome, that is for 0 and 1. Let me clear it. Yes, now start is 0 and end is 1. For this even sized call, they both will be passed. Yes, it is length is 2, 1 is less than 2. Yes, correct. 0 is less than equal to 0. Yes, it is also correct. And you see, start and end both are same. Then our count will again increase, and start will become -1 and will become 2, and it is not in these indexes are not present in our string. Will come out of this expand function here, and zeroth iteration when I 0 is completed, and we will move on to the next second iteration when I is 1. Now I will pass 1 1 here, and I think I will get one more count from here. This will become true, this will become true. 1 is less than 2, and 1 is greater than or equal to 0, and same character, this will also become true. Count will become 3, and after this, when we'll do n plus plus, we'll go out of the string. So this will end here, and this will also end instantly because we are at the last character. There is no character ahead of it, and at the end we are left with 3. We will simply return 3. So this is how this code is working. I hope you have understood now. And if you like this explanation, you can consider subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'm going to see you in the next video.